This robot prints building plans on site with laser precision. Dusty Robotics FieldPrinter 2. The construction industry is under pressure. Rising costs, labour shortages and a demand for speed and precision. But Dusty Robotics is helping bring building sites into the 21st century. Introducing the FieldPrinter 2, an autonomous robot that prints digital building plans directly onto construction floors. With an accuracy of just 1/16 of an inch, no more guessing with chalk lines and tape measures. At the heart of the robot's smooth performance, PMD motion controllers. The Ion CME N-Series drivers power the front wheels, helping FieldPrinter 2 stay on track, even when the laser tracker loses sight. The robot relies on smart sensors, gyros and encoders to keep printing accurately even in blind spots. The previous motion system had its limits, but PMD's drivers offered better control, faster response and easier debugging. A big win for Dusty engineering team. From scorching heat to freezing cold, the FieldPrinter 2 is built to work in real-world messiness of construction. And thanks to PMD, it keeps moving, printing and performing wherever the job takes it. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.